What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is out with another prank. As you can see by my face and the title, we're gonna do the cockroach prank on Abby. Abby in her bed asleep from morning, about to leave for school. So I say no, I do a quick prank on her just for the AC gang. So you know, long I have these guys. Just hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Oh, there's much things that go on my face. And comment down below, Team Capo. Make sure you share that video here right now. Share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, everywhere, and tag we night Abby_Capo or at Abby Attas or at I am Cappuccino so we can see the love. Alright guys, let's go. Now that wake her up, I just bust a few balloons and that must get a reaction from her. So let's do this. Yo, these look so real, man. Let's go. She's still asleep. How I'm Yep. Oh boy. Yeah man, wake up out of bed. You love sleep too much, man. You love sleep.
Yeah, bro.
What you do? You wake up your head or something?
My made that hurt me.
You love sleep too much, Abby. Get up.
My made that hurt me.
When you watch by this quick and fast, guys. I don't know what you react. You know like your head? I'm so sorry. Say you're about to sleep, I'm there. Say you're about to sleep, so.
I'm tired. Oh, yeah, boss.
Well, I'm going to try and you jump up, I know what I'm now, go. You must have a cockroach on you.
I scratch.
I that me know.
Snap.
Why you scratch so?
I'm friend.
What you fright? What fright?
The
The roaches.
You're not going to school all the time now.
Mom, if you see the reaction, I'm gonna say she still wants to sleep. Oh my god. Team Capo down below, people. Team Capo down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, as you can see the name them below. And follow up on Snapchat too, because Snapchat be lit. And in the meantime, I guess I'll go back to sleep and I go up on the road. I'm going to sleep on the bed. Get up, man. Get up.
I'm tired now.
Yeah, no. I'm not got time for prank, yo.
You drink tea already?
Which tea? No. You know, I tell the people about it.
Yeah, but so guess all in my sleep, you can't catch me.
What that name out?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Let's subscribe to our comedy channel, Abby and Capo Comedy TV, because we'll be posting videos soon. Don't, hey, keep your mouth shut. Don't think. Next video, guys. Out there.